When I look at you, I want you to see that green. I want that green to be like pow, 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 in your face, honey. Greetings. Hello, hello, hello. Thank you for coming to my channel. This is Beauty ETC. If you are just passing by, you're new here, hey, welcome. I am so happy to have you here. Thank God you're here. And if you've been here from the get-go, from the jump, you're my G. You're my personal person. All right, so today, what I will be having fun with is the Made by Michelle, the Michelle palette. It looks like so. Okay, I only got my fingers on, sorry, I only got my fingers on one of the palettes, Head in the Clouds, okay? Just because it was the palette that really stood out to me, you know? Palettes, I meant to say, make me very happy. So this is the Head in the Clouds palette. I must say it looks very, very beautiful. It's awesome. It's amazing. And I really wasn't expecting too much from this hair palette. But it came and showed out. It made my work quite easy. The only but that I have concerning this palette, and I want to stay in focus, okay, is the color story. And I'm digging into my eyeshadows. The color story could be a little intimidating at first, okay? You just need to think. You need this palette is not like the BH Cosmetics palette that everything is already, you know, arranged for you. You need to do some thinking with this. But this is very, very pigmented. It is very, very easy to work with. I enjoyed using this palette. I cannot say that for all the other palettes, all the millions of other palettes that I have. But this palette right here, I enjoyed working with it. I really did. I really did. And it comes in this little pouch, which I think is really cute. You can zip it up and you can put whatever you want in there, and it looks really cute. I think it's understandable, but I really wish it was in Sephora. And now I'm kind of sad that I didn't get the other palette, so I may get it. Please subscribe. Please leave a comment if you like the video. If you like green, just say I like green. I don't mind. All right, let's go over to the next clip and see how I achieve this look. I'm going in with all the green, so anywhere you see a green, those are the colors that I'm going in with. So I used this green first, and this is called Cockpit, over to blend the edges with that color, which is called Bora Blue. And then I went over in the middle somewhere towards the inner corner of my eyes with Humify. I'm lying. Twinkle. So that is Cockpit that I'm going in with first. Twinkle, and I'm just dipping in. That's the glitter color, and I'm going to put that right here. Go into Bora Blue to blend out the edges. I'm going to be using a fluffier brush that looks like so. This is a Sonia Cashew brush. It is old as dirt, and I'm just going to tap into that, and I'm going to start blending. I'm only going to go into the edges, okay? Before I become quiet, I am blowing it out because when I look at you, I want you to see that green. I want that green to be like pow, 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 in your face, honey. I'm gonna stop right here. I'm gonna come back to this palette. Definitely I'm gonna come back to this palette. I don't know. I'm gonna do something under my eyes, but I'll be right back.